This video will show you maintenance instructions for compressor recovery wash. Compressor internal washing is a remedy against gradual deterioration of engine performance due to air path clogging by airborne contaminants or salt deposits. Frequency of washing depends on local conditions or recommendations of GE Aviation. Use mixture of distilled water, shampoo, kerosene, and isopropyl alcohol as washing solution in ratio listed in the maintenance manual. Use 12 liters of the mixture for a washing cycle. The solution is sprayed into the engine inlet during the dry motoring run. Repeat the procedure until all the solution has been used. Connect a ground power supply for starter generator feeding during motoring run. Dry motoring run takes 20 seconds. Keep a 2-minute time period between start cycles for cooling. After every 5th cycle, the starter generator must be cooled for 1 hour minimum. Disconnect the tube from the centrifugal compressor case to the air bleed valve. Loosen the clamp holding the tube. Remove air bleed nozzle and 2 copper washers. Remove line, bagging the air bleed valve nozzle and 2 copper washers with the line. Remove the banjo bolt connecting the drain tube to the EPA canister. Caution: do not loosen the large nut holding the EPA canister to the engine. Then loosen the B-nut from the drain tube and remove drain line. Caution: do not interchange the banjo bolt with the air bleed valve nozzle. This will prevent the air bleed valve from closing. Then loosen 4 bolts and washers connecting the air bleed valve to engine and remove the air bleed valve. Remove the banjo bolt and 2 copper washers from the drainage line of the exhaust system. Disconnect the bleed tube at the FCU. Blind end of the tube at the rear of FCU in the 6 o'clock position. Connect solution feeding hose to the spray ring inlet fitting. The pressure of the solution must be kept between 0.12 to 0.14 MPa. Then close air bleed for the airframe, shut off fuel supply, and switch the boost pump on. Switch dry motoring run on. When gas generator speed reaches 5%, inject washing solution into spray ring. Continue motoring run to obtain a gas generator speed of 18%. The washing solution atomizes with the inlet air. The atomized washing solution enters the inlet, compressor, and onto the hot section. Excess solution will discharge from the air bleed valve and open couplings. After the washing solution exits through the hot section combustion area, it will then exit through the power section and finally exiting the engine through the drainage in the exhaust system and out the exhaust nozzles. Axial compressor blades are being washed and dirty mixture is going out from the engine. Dry motoring run is finished automatically after 20 seconds. Stop spraying washing solution as soon as gas generator speed falls to 5%. Repeat the washing cycle after 2 minutes delay until the washing solution runs out. After running out the solution, rinse the engine with distilled water. Rinse the engine until clean water is coming out from the air bleed valve area of the compressor case. Perform the rinsing of the engine the same way as washing, through the inlet and spray ring. After rinsing, perform dry motoring run for removal of the rest of the water. After dry motoring run, blow bleed air through the tube to the FCU, then connect in safety. Install the banjo bolt and 2 copper washers from the drainage line of the exhaust system. Install the air bleed valve components. Secure the bolts with Loctite 243. Install all the tubes back in safety. Start engine, warm it up, set gas generator speed of H-80% for 2 minutes. and open air bleed for the airframe to remove any residual washing solution remaining in lines.